Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Good Luggage. This is a very quick one just to show you how KKD Devils Juice works, acidic wheel cleaner, and I suppose the difference that it can make to a really heavily ground, baked on dirt and crap and gunk and whatever. That's not going anywhere, it hasn't done for years. So literally quick video to show you the effects of an acidic wheel cleaner. I just happen to use KKD Devils Juice then. Devil's Juice actually. This one's also diluted as well, so obviously saves a lot then. There. If you have a little respiratory thing, do it. Maybe a stiffer brush might be better. I have one around the other side. Let's get stiffer. But they're so bad anyway. Need a proper refurb, I'd say. I can't even see with that thing anyway. Now, have a look and see what it did first pass. It was so ground on that we're going to need a second one. Oh, fuck. Oh. Wheels are brutal. Classic definition of why a wheel needs to be refurbed. Even looked after, I suppose. Anyway, you're probably getting the idea from it anyway, what it's doing. A bit more care and attention maybe. And you'd have it looking fairly good then. Right, let's just rinse that. Now, compared to something like that. Mental. Now obviously need to go at it a bit more, but you're getting the idea. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.